How does utility allowance work? Utility allowance is a provision that helps individuals and families pay for essential utilities, such as electricity, gas, water, and heating. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of how utility allowance works. First step is to determine eligibility for a utility allowance, which is typically based on income level and family size. Eligible individuals and families can apply for a utility allowance through a government agency or a non-profit organization. Once eligibility is determined, the applicant will need to provide documentation to support their claim, such as proof of income and identification. The utility allowance is usually a fixed amount that is paid directly to the utility company on behalf of the recipient. The amount of the utility allowance varies depending on the location and the type of utility. For example, a family of 4 may receive a utility allowance of $100 per month for electricity and $50 per month for gas. It is essential to note that utility allowance is not a loan and does not need to be repaid. However, recipients may be required to report any changes in their income or family size to ensure they continue to receive the correct amount of utility allowance. To get the most out of a utility allowance, it is crucial to understand the terms and conditions of the program. Recipients should also take steps to reduce their energy consumption and lower their utility bills, such as using energy-efficient appliances and turning off lights and electronics when not in use. In conclusion, utility allowance is a valuable resource that can help individuals and families pay for essential utilities. By understanding how utility allowance works and taking steps to reduce energy consumption, recipients can make the most of this provision and enjoy a more stable and secure financial situation.